Two AI video titans, but only one can own your workflow in 2025. Filmora versus Pika Labs. Which one really delivers? On the left, Filmora, the all-in-one AI editor creators love. On the right, Pika Labs, the ultra-fast text-to-video innovator. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we get rolling, here's what I'm going to compare. Price, ease of use, features and customization, platforms and accessibility, output quality, and yeah, you guessed it, AI innovation. Let's lay all these out and see how each tool stacks up. Kicking off with price. So Filmora offers both free and paid plans. If you just want to mess around and edit, sure, the free version works. But, the real magic? That's locked behind a subscription. All-in-one editors there, which is neat, but you do have to pay if you want everything. Now, Pika Labs, same thing, free and paid. But what's wild is you can throw in a sentence and boom, a basic video at no cost. It's honestly pretty cool if you just want something quick. Of course, some advanced features mean you've got to open up the wallet, but overall, Pika Labs keeps that entry barrier super low. Between the two, well, Pika Labs edges ahead here, especially if cost is your biggest worry.
Next up, ease of use. Filmora. Oh man, Filmora's like that friend who's always showing you how easy things are. Drag and drop, super beginner friendly, and tutorials all over the place. You won't be lost, promise. As for Pika Labs, it's pretty simple too. You just type your prompts and let it do its AI magic. But sometimes you've got to know how to word things to get the best results. So if you want something truly foolproof, Filmora actually wins in terms of raw simplicity.
All right. Features and customization. Filmora's packed. Audio, video, image editing, all in one. Plus, you get templates for social media, and you can go manual or automated, whatever suits your mood. The only thing is, maybe if you're more of a casual creator, you could feel a bit overwhelmed by all the features. Now, Pika Labs, its focus is all about that text-to-video transformation. You get stuff like Pika swaps, Pika effects, Pika memes, definitely quirky, kind of fun, and oh, the transitions are smooth. But if you want deeper control, especially for long videos or major tweaks, you won't find that here. For the full toolkit, Filmora just brings more to the table. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Pika Labs version 1.5 can whip up a video from just a simple sentence, and it does it in seconds? That's honestly wild. Let's talk platforms and accessibility. Filmora is everywhere. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. Like, honestly, you can edit from pretty much any device you own. Super flexible. Pika Labs, on the other hand, is mainly iOS and web-based. There's no Android app or desktop program, so if you're not already in Apple's ecosystem, it's kind of limiting. So Filmora scores big for accessibility. Now, output quality. Filmora really shines here. It's giving you high quality. Seriously, stuff you can actually use commercially or on socials without embarrassment. They even have AI voiceovers in the mix, plus fine editing controls. For Pika Labs, the videos look cool, especially with the new v1.5 update. Like, much snappier and improved visuals. But let's be real. If you want polished output for longer or more complex stories, Filmora's still a step ahead. Finally, AI innovation. Here's where it gets interesting. Filmora does have some legit AI-powered editing, generation, templates, all that. But honestly, it kind of feels like they just added AI onto an existing traditional setup. Pika Labs, though? Whoa, it's truly all about that text-to-video magic. Interpret your prompts, creative customization, and honestly, it's cutting edge, even if some of the ecosystem is still maturing. Pika Labs takes the win in the innovation department, for sure. So, stacked side by side, you get Filmora with huge flexibility, powerful editing, and tons of platform support. Pika Labs, rapid, creative, text-to-video power, especially for short-form and content creators who want to prototype fast. The strengths really show up differently. And yeah, the wins shift category to category. All right, big takeaways here. If you're looking for that all-in-one editor that works on every device and gives you full creative control, Filmora's your best bet, no question. But if you're more into text-driven, playful AI video and quick content for socials, you've got to try Pika Labs. Did this comparison help? If you want to see more honest breakdowns of AI video tools, just hit follow. I've got plenty more